So, welcome to the class Settlement Geography. We will continue with Mesopotamian civilization. Mesopotamian civilization was an age of invention. What inventions were there? Any idea? First and foremost, we talked about yesterday. It was the rise of cities. Rise of cities. Urban systems, Mesopotamian civilization was known for urban systems. The earliest cities, Eridu, Ur, Uruk, were found in Mesopotamian civilization. In today's Iraq, we have talked it about earlier. So, rise of cities was a very important civilization invention in Mesopotamian age. Rise of cities, and so it was a very important, it was a hallmark of civilization in Mesopotamian era. Ur, we can say that from Ur we have got the name urban. So rise of cities was a very important invention of Mesopotamian age. Now we proceed to other invention. A very magnificent invention was writing. Invention of writing. So, invention of writing was made in Mesopotamian civilization. And which script was there? It was cuneiform script. Cuneiform script was found in Mesopotamian civilization. So, it was a picture script, and it was written from up to down. Today we write from right to left or left to right, like this. It was written like this. It was deciphered very late. So, it was a magnificent invention, writing. The inventions of writing was found in Mesopotamian civilization. What a magnificent! All the progress today is because of the invention of writing, because we can record our thoughts. So this invention is very important. One of the foremost and most magnificent invention was of wheel. Wheel is the basis of every machine these days. In every machine, be it a computer, be it a big machine, be it a steam engine, none of the machine, at least earlier, was complete without the wheel. The wheel was one of the most early and most important inventions of humankind. So, wheel was a very important invention. I suppose you are hearing me clearly. If not, please write it in the chat box. There is a chat box in right of the screen. You can write there that you are not hearing me. I am supposing you are not writing, so I am supposing that you are hearing me clearly. Okay. So, wheel was an important invention. The rise of, so which inventions we have discussed so far? Rise of city, which is very important. Invention of writing, and a written script, and invention of wheel was made in Mesopotamian civilization. So these were the very, very important inventions in Mesopotamian civilization. Then Sumerian people or Mesopotamian people made a very important breakthrough, a very important invention, that was domestication of animals. What is this? What is this domestication of animals? Yes, domestication of animals like bulls, dogs, and others. So they can, and one of the most important invention in which the domestication of animals helped was invention of, we have talked about yesterday, invention of controlled agriculture. Sometimes Mesopotamians discovered that if they throw away the discarded seeds, they sprout. So they thought that we can domesticate the crop, and domestication of crops is known as agriculture. If you want to define agriculture, there is a better definition of agriculture, that is controlled culture of biomass. Controlled culture of biomass is called as agriculture. I like this definition more. So, rise of city, invention of writing, invention of wheel, domestication of animals, some sophisticated common tools were invented in Mesopotamia. Now, what the tools are? Can anyone tell me what the tools are? What things we call tools? Tool making was a very important milestone in the evolution of man. So what the tools are? Can anyone tell me? Yes? Yes, Baijit? Can you tell me? Can you tell us? Can you tell the class? Yes, Gyanendra? Yes? Are you there, Gyanendra? Can you tell us about? I cannot hear you. So let's continue. Tool making was a very important milestone in the evolution of man. It was an important step in the evolution of man. Then sophisticated weaponry. Sophisticated weaponry was also invented in Mesopotamian times, or Sumerian times. Weaponry. These weapons they used to hunt animals, to ward off enemies, and to kill wild animals. So another invention was chariot. A chariot is found in Mesopotamian time, it was a chariot. Chariot, you know,